Today we are going to be making a dream Minecraft figure out of Perler beads. Let's get started. So what I have here is I just have all my Perler beads lined up in rows of 10 except for this one. This one's in rows of 12. But if you do not want to know the exact number count of each color, I will put it up on the screen so you can see. I will also put a picture right here in case you just want to pause the video and look at the picture instead of watching me do it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get started by taking black fused beads. We're gonna line 8 of them in a straight line. So that should be 8. And then we are going to go one down right there, and the same on the other side. And then we are going to go diagonal and down one, and then to the side, like down, diagonal one, and put 2 right there. And then you're just gonna make that like a little L shaped. Grab 2 more fused beads. That's why I like stacking them like this, so I can just grab them and count to 2. But anyways, you're gonna place those 2 diagonal and straight up and down from that one. And then I'm gonna grab 2 more and place 2, go 7 down, go 7 down like that, and then you're gonna grab 2 more, go diagonally like that, 1 down like that, off to the side, 1 just like that, and now we're gonna complete this side. That one right there. Next what we're going to do is from right here, we're gonna place 11 more fused beads going this way down, and just do the same thing on the other side. Okay, now we pretty much have all the black fused beads covered, except the face is just gonna go right there, so we're gonna make that really quick. So we're gonna go 2 up from right there, so 1, 2, and then go like right, put them right there, and then we are going to go up from here. We're going to go 3 up at the same level, and then just fill in the rest of his little smile there. And then the 2 last black dots, his eyes aren't going to be like that, are going to be right here. So we're gonna go up 2 and diagonal 1, and then the same thing over there. Okay, now we're going to move on to green. Green, we are going to first make an outline for the arms. So 2 right there. Go all the way up to right here with lining greens up, so, and then you're gonna go over like that, and then just fill in the rest. So what you're gonna do is gonna go 2 over all the way up until this last one that you placed is right across from this black one right there. You want to make sure this is still above it, and then you're gonna fill all the rest of that in, and then you're just going to fill the rest of it in. So it should look like that. You can pause the video for reference if you want. Now from here on out, we are going to take 2 green fused beads on either side. Place them there. 2 more. 2 more. 2 more. And 2 more. this whole entire, from this corner to this corner to this corner to this corner should be an 8 by 8 square. Then you're just gonna fill the rest of this section in with green. Okay, now I'm pretty sure you know what we're gonna do with the rest of the whites. We are just going to pretty much fill in, except we can line white off at the bottom here. And I'm gonna just speed the video up like I did just right here. And I'm going to fill everything else in with whites. Okay, there you go. We finished filling it all in. So I guess we'll see you in the next video.